To configure an input object in Axxon Next, go to the Devices tab. If the camera or IP server has a built-in or pluggable digital input, it will be automatically displayed in Object Tree as a child object of that particular device. Select the input in Object Tree. Configuration settings will appear on the right. Enable the input. Enter the input object name if necessary. Input controller address and input ID are set by default. Select the input status, to which it will be set, when no alarm is present. The options are open and closed. You can also change the parent object of the input, by selecting a different camera or IP server. The input object will appear linked to that camera in Object Tree. Click on the Apply button, to save the input object settings. Current status of the input is displayed in the information window. Configuration of the input object is now complete.